Okay, so in this video, let us discuss a problem that appeared in Encoding August 20, that is yesterday's contest. And this problem is quite simple, although it has not that many submissions. I do not know why people face so much problem. The submit option was released like 1 or 2 hours ago. I had submitted it. I thought I'll make a video. Any person who knows STL can solve this problem actually. So first of all, let's read the problem. There are n boxes of tiles. Ith box has I tiles. So from 1 to n, we have boxes and each box have I tiles. The ith box has I tile. There are 2 houses with n rooms. Total number of rooms is 2n. Okay. And floor area of the ith house or ith room, sorry. Floor area of the ith room is I into I. We want to distribute equal number of tiles from ith box to any 2 rooms. Each room must belong to one house. So we need to select one room from this box. Sorry, what am I saying? One room from first house and another room from second house, such that both of them have a floor area I into I, and we need to distribute equal number of tiles in both the houses. This essentially means what? For example, let us say we take the second box, okay? Second box, how many this thing it will have? It will have 2 tiles. So number of tiles in second box is 2. Now let me select a room in the first house. Let's say this is first house and this is second house. Let me select a room such that the area is 1 into 1. Similarly, area is 1 into 1. Okay. Now, can I use these 2 tiles to cover both the rooms? Yes, because 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 is 2. So floor area, total floor area is equal to number of tiles present in one of the boxes. We do not have to use all the boxes. Room should be tiled completely. We cannot leave it untiled or incomplete, but we do not have to use all the boxes. It is not mandatory. So essentially from this example, we can get a formula for ith room. For ith room, if we have a box which contains 2 into I into I tiles. If we have a box which contains 2 into I tiles, then we can fill ith room of both the houses. We need to fill ith room of what? Both the houses. So we need to find those boxes which have tiles of number 2 into I. So let us take the test case example and I'll explain. Suppose there are 16 boxes. So there are 16 boxes and every house has 16 rooms, okay? Every house has 16 rooms and there are 16 boxes. So the tiles in the 16 boxes will be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, and 16. So every box has corresponding number of tiles. Okay, why is the answer 4 here? The answer is 4 because we can select box number 2 Okay, and we can select box number 8 because both of these are a part of a formula which is 2 into I into I. In this case, 2 is equal to 2 into 1 into 1 and 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. Essentially, both of them are a series. They are a part of a series which is 2 into I. That means with 8 tiles, I can fill second room of both the houses. With 8 tiles, I can fill second room of both the houses. With 2 tiles, I can fill first room of both the houses. So that's all. This is the formula. We have to find all numbers which satisfy this formula. So what was the code? So use a map and pre-calculate all of them. That means you will save a lot of time. The time complexity will drastically reduce. I think people were getting TLE because n value is up to 10 power 12. So use a map and store this in the map. That is, you are just storing the term. This is first term. So in the map, you will store this value as the first term. So second part, that is, map has two parts, right? First and second. First part will be the number of tiles and second part will be the index of that number in the series. Which series? This series. This is a series. We have found out the arithmetic series. You can say it's some arithmetic series. I'm just telling it like that. But this is a series, okay? In this series, first term is 2. So my map will store what? It will say m of 2 is 1. Similarly, m of 8, this is second term. M of 8 will be 2. M of 18 will be 3. Why? 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. So this map will store those things. I hope you are able to understand. And in the main function, just see if map is present. If n is present in the map, then the answer is 2 into lower bound of that. Because we are tiling both the houses. So that's why 2 into. If it is not present in the map, lower bound will give a value greater than n. We do not want greater than n, we want less than n. So subtract 1 and 2 into that. So this question was just basically lower bound, upper bound, and lower bound only, and pre-calculating all the values and finding out the series. This is the general expression. For the ith floor, these many number of tiles are required for both the houses. Remember, there are 2 houses. That is why 2 into. So that's all for this video. I hope you understood. You can have a look at the code again. Okay then, thank you. Please share the video and subscribe. Bye.